Hey everyone, so I've recently got my hands on a very new product, that's the brow kit from the Bold Eye. So I'll tell you one major thing, I've never made my eyebrows, like I've never used any thread. So whenever I have to go out, I just use a pen and everything's just set. So I'll be giving you a quick tutorial how to use their Bold Eye pen, their brush and the spoolie. So here you go. So now using the Bold Eye pen, if you ever make some mistake like I usually do, so if you feel that there's some extra here, you can just tap it, then with the spoolie just set it. So see, this is my made up brow and this is just my regular brow. You will never feel that this is some made up or ye itna zyada kya hai, not at all. It looks so natural. One more thing, there's this cotton that's slightly wet, and if I take it, there's nothing on the cotton. It just stays for a very long time and your eyebrows are done.